details of the parts of this vacuum. Okay, the box of course is empty, and now the inclusions such as the accessories, the parts of this vacuum cleaner is already stated there at the box. Alright? Also check this out. And here is the item. We have here the tubes. This is you need to connect this one into 3 parts. Okay, see, one, I have this small space, so I have to put everything in the okay, everything in the lock because small space. Okay, this is 3 parts of the tube, and here is the vacuum. Here how it looks. Here is how it looks. The vacuum is here. Okay. Nice. I guess the cord is about 5 diameters long, or 3. It's short, huh? But the vacuum is nice, definitely. And you will be putting all the tubes there. Here. And here's the handle on top. And the good thing of this product is I've heard and I've learned that they are selling this one. You can easily clean this one with have water. Here you put water so that you could just easily throw the waste right after and just drain it out. I'm so sure that there is a drainer here. Later on I'll be exploring this one. And of course, technically, this is better than the traditional vacuum, because traditional vacuum has no water bond there, so that you need to buy everything. Okay, everything is okay. So later on, we'll be trying to discover this one. You can also use this as actually an outdoor, mostly, right? And the only thing here, since this is part portable, there's no wheels in the feet. You need to handle this one because there's no wheels here. Anyway, it's portable still. Okay? I'll be seeing you around, guys. Hope you enjoy this. Another unboxing episode. Truly, your one and only friend around the world, Sweet Caroline.